To create and edit your lead capture form, you'll navigate to the Forms menu within Dubsado. You can create your lead capture form from scratch by clicking the plus sign or using the sample lead capture form loaded into all Dubsado accounts. The sample lead capture form includes a first name, last name, email, and phone fields, a how did you hear about us dropdown, and a comment/question free response field are all loaded in. All lead capture forms must include a first name, last name, and email address mapped field. A mapped field within a form sends information directly into the client's project. I also like to include a phone number mapped field as a secondary contact option. These fields allow Dubsado to add the client to your system's address book and create a new project for the lead. These fields should all be marked as required and can be mapped from the left menu. Also from the left menu, you can access other elements to customize your form with additional questions, input fields, and design formatting. The lead capture form should include anything you need to know up front about your lead to better qualify them as a good fit for your business before proceeding into a project with them. It's best to keep your lead capture form short and sweet. The shorter the form, the more likely potential leads will complete it. You can send a detailed questionnaire later if you need more information before your initial call with potential clients. The lead capture form has other elements available for customization, such as project tracking. This helps you identify where the leads are finding you, and you can customize and review your project breakdown from the Reporting tab in Dubsado. For additional information collection, you can choose from short answers, free response, date select, workflows, drop-downs, checkboxes, and multiple choice fields. The file upload allows leads to upload items that you can access from within the leads project, and the HTML block allows you to embed any external media you'd like into your form, like a YouTube video or a Venmo video. The HTML block is not meant for CSS customization. That should be done from the design menu. You don't have to use a workflow in Dubsado if you'd prefer to keep things manual. For many businesses, a manual approach may work. However, the lead capture form is a great place to start your automation if you plan to use it. When connecting a workflow to a lead capture form, once a potential client completes the lead capture form, the client will be added to your Dubsado address book, a new project will be created for them, and the assigned workflow will automatically begin. You have two methods to apply a workflow to a lead capture form. You can go into your Forms Settings tab and assign a default workflow. The default workflow will begin no matter what responses the potential client puts into the form fields. This is an excellent option if your business follows the same client journey for all inquiries. The second option would be to add a workflow form field. The workflow element defaults to what service are you interested in. You can customize the question and the options listed, then apply different workflows based on the option that the client selects from the drop-down menu. For example, if you're a photographer offering wedding, branding, and family photography, your client journey and pricing may be different for each service. So you can create workflows for each service type, and therefore the potential client will only receive the service-specific information that you've set up in those particular workflows. You can embed your lead capture form onto your website by copying the HTML code from the Sharing tab. You can also share your lead capture form via a direct link if you plan to share this form from your social media bio, or if you plan to email the link to leads directly. Once your lead capture form is set up how you liked, simply click Save and Close, and you're all set.